Hello, I will now show you how to use the VB Decompiler. So let's open VB Decompiler and then load our program. Click on File, Open Program and select the Crackme 16. Click Open. So now it has decompiled. You can see decompile OK. So decompile means it will convert the binary file into source code, and you can see from here it has successfully done it. Solution Explorer, there is a form. If you double click, you can see the form, and then here is a property for the form. The name of the form is form 1. And then if you click on each of these, you can see the property here, the name and some other properties as well. So this entry box is called text 1. So this text box is text 1. It's called text 1. And then this button is called command 1. This button is called command 2. So this is how useful this program is. From here you can know what the objects are called, and then from here you can also access the program itself down here. So if you look at command 1 button, source code is over here. So when you click on this command 1 button, it will execute this source code. Same way, if you click on this next button, it will execute command 2 source code. Command 2 click. These are command handlers. So every button on the form has a command handler. So this is command 1 button. So the handler for it is called command 1 click. This is command 2 button. So the handler for it is command 2 click. So that's how we can use this program to analyze the Visual Basic program. So, and you notice here there's a form load program. The form load handler is executed when the form first starts. So most likely your next screen is called from here. So if you double click this, you will see the disassembler view, and here you can straight away get the address of the form load handler. So once you got the address, you can just right click, copy it, open your x64dbg and reload your program, and then this program is Crackme 16, and you can right click and go straight to the expression. So go to expression and paste your address here. Right, this address is obtained from here. This address is the address for the form load handler. So you go straight there and you will see. So this is the, let me put a comment. This is the form load handler subroutine. Right. So whenever the form loads, this is the function or the subroutine that will start. So if you scroll down, you will see what we did earlier. The message box is shown here. So this makes it so easy to find out analyze the Visual Basic program and immediately identify which instruction is executed whenever something happens. So this is the other method that we can use. In the first earlier lesson, we used the call stack method, and now we can use this method to identify where the subroutine is found for the next screen, right? And the rest is the same. We can just go ahead now and put our breakpoint here, and then put our and then another breakpoint here, and perform the patching exactly like how we did in the previous lesson. So I don't need to repeat that. The method now from here onwards is exactly the same. The only new thing is we are now using the VB Decompiler to help us identify the various functions and the various command handlers, and also the form itself, and the name of the various component of the form. Now you notice here in the form load here, you have three tabs. We have a disassembler tab which shows you the disassembled program in the view just like x64 disassembler view, and here is a decompiler view, but we have no access to that because that is a pro feature. So if you wanted to view the decompiled source code, you need to buy, and you can click on buy if you want to purchase this. So we only have access to the disassembler view, but it is good enough because with this we already can identify the address where the handler resides and use that to go to our x64 DBG and trace it down. So that's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.